Dear, don't drink your bitter leaf water. No, take them together now.
Bitter leaf this early morning, dear. Bitter leaf now your mate they give their husband in the morning like this.
I don't understand. What do you want make I give you this morning? I just say they say bitter leaf water now the first thing you need to take before you eat food.
My dear, even Bible talk calm. You see, weeping may endure for the night, joy cometh in the morning. My own, we can understand from that this thing, joy. Joy means sweet thing, pleasant thing, something wey dey nice. This early morning, how go dey take bitter leaf?
Wow. So according to your scripture, you won't take her in the night. Ma bring your own in the night.
I don't know, but I know say in the morning like this, I suppose start the day with sweet thing.
Why? I know what you want. Ma go change her for cup. No wahala. Ma put her for glass cup. My husband, I don't put her for glass cup.
You don't call me again. See the way you fool am now. In the night, when you give me juice, see where the juice reach. Now he reach for bitter leaf. You fool am reach here.
But the thing no full now.
What of yesterday juice? See where the juice reach. But now, bitter thing, the thing reach here. Why? If you explain.
Because sweet thing no good for men now.
I beg, drink this one.
I just say they say sweet thing now for just women and children. Say no good for men. Go make them no get this manpower to do their work. My husband can't drink now, so he won't leave mama drink and finish. It's not fair. Guys, I beg, wetin I do? Shade bitter leaf water no good for men again. I just say go make them get that manpower, you know. So I don't know which one my husband they change like this. So anyway, I go drink her.